sige. Okay na.
Ya, salamat kayo sa inyo ha.
Sige, thank you.
Ya, salamat.
We are engaging in distribution of invitation of memorial in this area of Carmen in Poblacion, and it is there are many residents who received the invitation, and in after finishing the invitation we gather in the waiting shed with one interested person standing here. So, okay, thank you for watching.